Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking man cake from the new season of Fortnite. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. So to begin, we're going to draw in the eyes first, and there's not going to be a lot of details. So we're just going to draw in the upper eyelid. We'll curve up on this side, and same thing on this, just opposite. And then for the lower eyelid, just come back down, right around here, and then just kind of come across, just close it off. So it's almost like a leaf shape. Alright, and then for the eyebrows, it's a little bit strange. Start right here in the corner, we'll go straight up. And then come back down. So just a sharp little angle. And then now we're going to curve all the way over the eyes. And then just close this. Very strange eyebrow shape, and I believe this is all black, so let me shade this in real quick. Alright, so those are the eyes, and now let's draw in the rest of the face, which is going to be a pile of pancakes with some sauce dripping on the side. So let's just start right in the middle first. I know it looks like a nose, but it actually is not. So just curve like this first. And then we're going to curve this side Okay, so once we have this, we're going to continue on the side and then we'll connect everything up. So come out to the side of the eyes right here. Draw one little loop coming down. So just two little hooks. And then now whatever space you have here, we're going to draw one big drip right here. So this is going to curve in. And then now just round this out. Okay, so now it looks like it's kind of dripping down. Now let's continue on with the top of the head. This one will just go straight up. And then for the top of the head right here, just curve in, just leave a little bit of a space in the middle. And now we're drawing the little piece of butter right here. So right here, just one little angle. And now just continue with this line right here. So we're just coming down. And we're just gonna draw in like a little diamond shape. We try to draw it in kind of a little bit of a perspective. So once you have this diamond shape right on the corner, just come down, just 3 lines. And then right here, just kind of connect them. So we're seeing this in a little bit of a perspective. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the top. And now let's finish up the head right here, right on the side. So I guess these will be pancakes. 2 line and then just round it out first. That's gonna finish off the head. And then on the inside here, so these are different layers of a pancake right here. So I'm gonna draw another line exactly the same as this. Just in here, just curve all the way around behind the drippings. Okay, so that's the head, and now let's continue on, and it's got that big wrap around the neck. So I'll just extend this line right here first. I'm gonna come up, just curve down, and then we're gonna come to the center right here. Okay, so that's gonna be the wrap, and let's see. So we'll just keep it simple, and then now we're gonna draw in the waist area first. So right around here, just come down. I'm gonna pinch it in, so this is gonna be all the way to the waist. And then from this corner right here, just go up at an angle. So we're gonna draw in the little strap around the torso area. So right here, just draw another line. So these are gonna be, I guess, sticks of butter. So I'm just gonna add in 2 lines right here. Okay, so we won't see much of it because it's behind the little wrap there. Okay, and let's continue down and finish up more of the body right here. So right in the middle right here. It's got different layers of clothing. Okay, so one sharp angle. And now for the one that kind of goes all the way down to his knee. So I'm gonna start right here. Just come down. It's got a little cloth right here. Okay, and then come across. And let's add in some lines right here. Okay, so let's come back up here and we'll finish up the arms and then we'll draw the legs in. Okay, so right here, nice and wide on the shoulders. Come down, it's got a little shirt right here. We're gonna curve all the way in here, right at the belt right there. Okay, and then now for the arm. So his armpit is gonna be right around here. Come down here, so this will be the elbow. And then just bracket down for the lower arm. We'll close it off straight across. And then for the hand or the fist, just one little hook. Here's the back of the fist, come down. And then I'm gonna dip down and then curve up right into the thumb. And right here, just one little line here for the other fingers. Alright, so on this side, it's going to be holding the stick of butter. So we're going to give a little bit of space. We're going to draw the hand first. So just come over here. Let's draw a little dome shape. On the bottom, just curve, and then just kind of stop right there. Just kind of tuck it around it. And then now for the fingers, I'm just going to add 2 lines. Alright, and then now for the stick of butter, right here, just draw 1 line across. So just 1 line behind the hand. We'll come up. Okay, so now that we have the hand floating out here, we're going to connect everything. Just draw a little line like that. And then here's the armpit around here. Just kind of go in to the hand right here. Okay, so that's the trickiest part. So now the legs, we're going to come down right here. This is going to be the waist. Let's draw a slight curve coming down to right around here. This is going to be the knee. Bracket again, and then we're going to start right here, the lower leg, and then just close this off. We'll curve. Alright, and then for the shoe, this one's going to be straight down, and this one's going to come out. Close it off, and let's just add 1 little line there for details. So same thing here, come down. Go out. Okay, and then let's see, it's got some detail right here. Let's add in just 1 little bar, so a little bracket on the side. 1 more here. So same thing on this side. And let's draw in those pistols that it's got on the side right here. So right next to the thigh, just add a little angle, and on the bottom, just kind of round it out. So this will be the holster. And then for the pistol itself, just draw a little rectangle right on top. Okay, and then let's draw in the strap right here. Just 2 lines at an angle. Same thing on this side. And that is it for this very cool looking man cake. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.